When your banana stands from this to this, don't throw them away. Make these yum banana cupcakes. I finished mine with some honey and some coconut flakes. These were tamu. They're so easy to make. So in a bowl, you just add the banana. So as you can see, they're very ripe. You just go ahead and mash that. You can use a masher or just a fork. Follow that with some sugar, oil, 2 eggs, vanilla essence, and then you just mix that well. Next, you'll add your dry ingredients. So I've listed everything in the caption. Make sure to check that. Next, you'll just sieve that, and then just using your spatula, you'll mix everything together until you have a very smooth batter. Line the baking tin with the cupcake papers. Next, you'll scoop the butter and add to your cupcake holes. Once you're done, you just set that aside. Next, you will slice 1 banana. So this is just as a topping, but you can use any topping you want, nuts or any dry fruit. So you're just gonna top that and bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, and that's just it. Enjoy.